So, India and Sweden are at the helm of the leadership of industry transition. This was announced at the UN Climate Action Summit in 2019. Now, has the pandemic in any way impacted the course of action, and how do you see the pathways ahead in helping industries transform into cleaner energy industries?
Yes, again, India and Sweden had come together in September 2019 at the UN level to initiate this leadership group on industry transition. And this is really a group which is trying to see how we can encourage some of the industry stakeholders who are engaged in more polluting industries, how they can move towards cleaner technologies. This was launched in September 2019, and within 6 months, pandemic had started to take grip. But again, despite the COVID, there have been many developments in the lead IT process. I think in July last year, there was a leader industry transition day which was celebrated, and it helped generate awareness and advocacy internationally. Then there was ministerial interaction later in the year, where a joint ministerial statement was also issued. There were other stakeholder consultations. I know that, for instance, in India, there were extensive consultations with the industry players by our Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change to encourage them to take action and move towards cleaner technologies. Recently, when President Biden had hosted the Climate Leaders Summit, there they announced the decision of the US to join this group also. And now the membership has grown to, I think, around 31, which contains both countries and the companies, and includes France, Germany, UK, Austria, Republic of Korea, and many other countries. So there is a clear trend. This has been only 1.5 years so far, but there is a recognition among the policy makers and the private players that this is the way to go, and this makes also business sense besides a climate change impact.